Look at that juice. Ooh, the juice is loose.
All right, y'all, we got a 19-pound Amish turkey, and we're gonna cook it in a brown bag and make it super juicy and falling off the bone. Let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna rinse it off. I'm just kidding. Never rinse off your turkey. Look, it's the dancing turkey. Don't clean your turkey because your turkey don't need to be cleaned. If they wanted you to rinse your turkey off, they would tell you on the directions. Instead, they say to cook it thoroughly. So let's get the innards out of our turkey. Oh, there it is. There's our little bag of goodies. You can do what you want with them. Me, I throw them in the trash. All right, so next step with our turkey, you grab this neck skin. Hello, would you like some turkey? In all honesty, I really don't like this, so I'm gonna cut some of this off. If you like turkey neck skin, well, let me know in the comments. So now we got our turkey spine side up, and we're gonna season this side, and then we're gonna turn it over. Next step, we're gonna melt 1 stick of butter. Grab your Dano's Original, that's the green top. We're gonna put about 3 tablespoons in there. Mix that in. Check out our website and you can find out what retailer near you has Dano's. Now we're gonna baste our turkey with some of this butter and Dano's. And we rub it in. Now look how the butter solidifies on the turkey as it gets cold. Exactly what we want it to do. And we give it 1 more light sprinkling of Dano's. Now we flip it over and baste the other side. We're gonna get some in the neck hole and we're gonna get some in this hole. Get it all basted up. It's time for the big bottle. We're gonna hit it with a pop and give it a nice coating on top. We're gonna stand it on its head so we can get down in the hole. Now we're gonna fill it up. Some onion, some celery, and some carrots. It's time to oil the bag. We're gonna oil it all over. We're gonna let this soak into the bag and saturate it in the oil. Get the other side. And we gotta get the inside too. Kind of messy. We're definitely putting the flavor in the bag. Pop, Dano's, yum, get you some. You get the bag totally saturated. All right, so you can see that we got this bag heavily coated in the oil and Dano's. And I even got it all over myself, but it's okay, because I like Dano's. Yum, get you some. We're gonna get our turkey in, but we wanna put the turkey in where the seam of the bag is facing up. This is the hardest part. Tuck them wings in. We just slide it in, just like that. Put it in our turkey pan. We're gonna add some more onions and celery and carrots down around the bottom. Now you want to get this closed so we can keep that steam in there while it's cooking. Now we go into our preheated oven at 325 degrees. All right, it's been 3 hours and 10 minutes for a 19-pound turkey. All that steam coming out, and it's hot too. It's like a steam bath. Oh, it's the prettiest little turkey I ever seen. We're gonna let it sit off to the side for about an hour. And that's the yum get you some.